Welcome to FDCI presents Amazon India Fashion Week Spring Summer 2017. इस सीजन की वो 3 most magical words हैं India, modern, festive.
Amazon is all about having you shop for your traditional clothes but in a modern way.
Simulate tradition with modernity, which is mixing Indian textiles with global brand.
So that's the whole, India modern story that is coming alive.
यहाँ मिलेगा आपको पैक सारे exclusive trends in an awesome week.
25 years into what I love doing, and this one took my breath away.
This is the 28th edition of FDCI's India Fashion Week. And thank you very much, Amazon, for supporting this concept of doing new things every time.
यहाँ पर है festivity, fashion और modern trends at its grandest best. Day 2 of Amazon India Fashion Week looks even more stunning, even more fashionable and even more quirky. जब Indian traditional outfits मिल जाए with modern day grace, तो it's a dream come true. हमारे next show में कुछ ऐसा ही होने वाला है.
Collection is all about the fabric called Kotpad, which comes from Odisha. And then we started following a fictional character. There's a lady who loves wearing all this handloom fabric and she wants to promote. And so she used to have this high teas where she used to invite ladies and ask them to come in handlooms and promote it as much as possible. So collection was based on that.
The fabrics and the weaves and the colors, especially the maroon color, which is very peculiar and very specific about it. Not just the maroons, the browns and the blacks, the deeper colors. You cannot get it anywhere in the world.
What, according to you, is your personal style statement?
I like long lengths, lot of flares, lot of checks.
Well, I like to think it was more than being the showstopper because that just takes walking up and down. I've been posting about this endangered weave, the Kotpad from Koraput, Orissa for the longest of time. It's an all-natural dyeing technique, which is probably the 1 or 2 left in the world. And it takes over a month to create the dye. But what is very, very special about it, it's almost like alchemy or science. As you wear it, color gets better and vibrant and darker.
I think India modern festival. India is a country which is full of festivals. And taking it to next level, making it a little modern, contemporary, for people can love what they wear, and the love for the fabrics, what India can afford, makes it more interesting.
I'm following the trend of being comfortable in my skin, of celebrating all kinds of bodies and shapes, and saying that there's beauty in all kinds. I'm a big Amazonian woman at the Amazon Fashion Week, and I feel sexy.
My collection is based on the folk culture of Europe, but the beauty of this collection is that everything is made in India. From the base fabrics, we use a lot of Indian indigenous weaves, crafts and textiles to put together a collection. Perfect for spring, summer, and it comprises of very easy breezy silhouettes, which is perfect for our weather. I feel style is something which is inherent to you. You can't define style, it comes to you naturally. So whatever you are comfortable with, it's how you express yourself, that is style. First of all, don't take fashion too seriously. Rather, don't take trends too seriously, and believe in your own legacy of Indian weaves, crafts, and textiles.
For all the lovely Indian ladies, है एक label that spells magic with her natural fabrics. और वो है Prama by Pratima Pandey.
This season, my collection is called Promises. I think we all have to keep promises to a lot of things. Promise to handloom, promise to do good work, promises. There are millions of promises we have to keep. And I think we have to keep living up to those promises that we keep. I think it's a brilliant effort because we are celebrating the new mind. We're celebrating the newness that is, frankly, we are welcoming it. And I think this approach of being looking forward to things which are out there and yet keeping a very strong pride in our past. And I think that is the new India. And I think we keep that on always. Wear what you love. Don't even listen to anybody, even if it comes from a designer.
Go Natural को एक कदम आगे बढ़ाती उर्वशी कौर का लाइफ का है एक मंत्र. Think local, act global.
Summer is that time where you want to take a break and you want to, go get into that zone. You want to feel zen and not really work too hard because you worked hard all, it's that time of the year where you really take a break from your mundane. And for me, soft pastel colors, ecru, whites are sort of very relaxing and kind of take you into that space. A lot of sheer fabrics and very breathable cottons and mulls and khadis, linen. These are fabrics that you want to wear in the summer, no matter where you are. I've added a bit of sport in it, which is not usually, so that is sort of a little different for me. India is a treasure trove of textiles, of textures, of crafts, of techniques, of embroideries, it's like an unending, box, a Pandora's box. You keep opening and you can you don't have to go anywhere else. Even my silhouettes are inspired from Indian silhouettes. A little bit of hard and soft. I think layer something soft that you may have with, something hard like a leather jacket or a denim. Just play with your style and just explore your personality.
Lohiwala. It was about basically take on all the hyper political situation internationally and just about being happy. I think primarily it was all politics and laziness and I think depression. I think festive is like, you know, times are tough and I think, yeah, so should be festive. I think it's a good thing.
Coming up next is the beautiful linen collection by Anavila called When You Look Back Tomorrow.
What we presented is something very, very true to the brand, what we stand for. It is easy, it is comfortable, it is simple and it's elegant. If you see, it was very bereft of patterns itself and we've spent a lot of time in creating the textures which you've seen today. So I'm very happy. Inspiration behind the collection was our work ourselves. You know, what we thought was that every season we're creating stories, we're creating looks, we're creating garments which fall into a certain kind of inspiration or look or, you know, forecast or, you know, things like that. Essentially, you know what we do, we are so rich in textiles and we are so rich in craft, but when we put it together, I think we somehow, somewhere kind of clutter it a bit. So for me, India Modern would be having the same skill set, having the same crafts, but make them easy, make them more pleasing to the eye, make them breathe a bit. For me, comfort stands, first. What you wear should be elegant and beautiful and smart, but when you're comfortable, you're most beautiful.
Collection name was A Twist in My Sobriety. I think I explored a lot in terms of silhouette, but at the same time, when you see the end product, I think it's rather simple, very easy to wear, and I think that's what I always do. Draped kurtas layered with jackets. The inspiration or takeoff would be from a sari, but it's into a kurta. So one side had cowls, one side had pleats, and it was worn with a jacket. So it gives you an impression of kind of layering a sari, but it's not. It's a kurta, it's a tunic, and people can wear it whichever way they want to. for me, this is India Modern Festive because it was a lot of inspiration from Indian silhouettes. I had the yokes, the Indian yokes that we have, but I had it in a modern blouse, blouses without armhole seams. For me, neutral is always in. Whites and blues are a treat, but this time I explored in a beautiful, deep plum burgundy color, the one that I'd shown. And I think for me, it's a beautiful color for a woman. It's sexy, it's pretty, I find that color enchanting for a girl.
It was terrific, actually. I mean, I think we were quite happy with the way it turned out. I mean, because we wanted to look at khadi in a new and a modern way, and I think we succeeded in doing that. The inspiration is really modern India because I think this is where we are right now. I mean, we are very mixed. We have so much of tradition. We have so much of modernity. We wear a lot of active wear, and that's really become a part of our life. So we were just trying to see how we could put it all together. Look at tradition, but look at it in a modern way. And I think always make everything current for today.
It was something which we did with Nexa. It was the color palette was black and white and chrome, and that's what we worked with. It was a lot of hand-woven textiles, especially the cuts which we've been working on for a while. They were all asymmetric shapes, and there was a lot of volume, These experiments which we keep doing and we keep trying to improve them, and like a friend of mine once said, that you don't perfect them, you just keep evolving them.
Amazon India Fashion Week is a personal favorite platform. I've been showing here since it sort of got incepted. When Nexa brought this mood board to the table, when they showed us the black, the white, and the metallic feel, and I'd sort of done a big women's wear show 2 months ago using black and white, so I sort of said, okay, let's just take it from where I left it off. Menswear is my zone, as they say, so it was extremely a lot of fun and sort of great moments in putting this collection together. The idea was to sort of package them and show them in a way to right now, which would have been see now, buy now strategy. The biggest one being, I think, simplicity will always take you far. because that will not go out of fashion. You know, it'll always remain in style.
So day 2, we saw a lot of monochrome, blacks, whites.
My gist is I'm so engrossed in whichever shows goes on that I forget what happened before that. So day 2 for me is, at the moment, it was black, white and chrome. And that's what the Nexa show was, and that's what the Nexa colors are. And you know, the women were raving about the men, and they said, I wish I had a man who would wear a Rajesh Pratap and an Ashish Soni.
There was a full strong statement on monochromatic colors, but also I think the big story was dye finish fabrics, something that is sort of light and thin, lightweight. And I thought an important aspect today was also the layering that we saw every designer. I mean, who would think that in summer you want to layer, but it looks so beautiful.